Hello there guys, welcome back to my channel Travel Wonderful. Hello my wonderful people, how are you? From London, I want to invite you to another spectacular video. We are currently at the Shard, one of the tallest buildings in all Europe, and I want to bring you an excellent luxury Disney Peter Pan afternoon tea, which is especially dedicated here in the Christmas period, very popular, and I want to show you what it's like. But for this experience, it is even more special as I got a very nice guest, Eunji, which comes from South Korea. And yeah, we actually met very recently and we click along, and yes, this is how it works. Now we are here together, experience the afternoon tea. And from 1 to 10, what do you think about the vibe over here so far?
I would say it's 10.
And we're gonna see what it's like the food. She's a little bit shy, but it's okay. So remember to subscribe to the channel if you like this video, and remember to leave a comment below. Enjoy the video. Travel wonderful. The menu is inspired by J.M. Barrie's beloved novel Peter Pan, which first appeared on stage in 1904. The story's timeless themes of childhood wonder and adventures are reflected in every sweet and savory bite. So expect to find desserts and pastries that evoke the world of Neverland. Think of Tinkerbell-inspired sweets and Lost Boys chocolates creations. So as I previously said, the theme of this afternoon tea is of Peter Pan and Neverland. So it is completely dedicated to this Disney character, which is very famous here in England. And it gives you 3 options. They give you the option of the rosé champagne, the traditional champagne, or just tea. It got different prices, each of them. We have chosen the rosé champagne to try it on, as we usually don't drink rosé champagne. We wanted to see what it's like, and we started receiving some of our savory snack treats of this afternoon tea. As you can see, the whole decoration of the Big Ben. We're gonna see what it's like. I cannot wait to try the smoked salmon. And in the background, very importantly, we got very beautiful views of all London. From here I can see the London Bridge. So yeah, let's see what it's like. So we are now on the stage of eating our sandwiches. We already ate the first savory treats that they brought us. I got to say my favorite was the salmon one. I thought it was really tasty. We still got more to try on. Yeah, you can see even the decoration is from Peter Pan, the Big Ben, which obviously is inspired on the streets of London. Which, by the way, talking about Peter Pan, I just recorded recently a video of Blenheim Palace at Neverland. So the inspiration of this year at the Christmas Blenheim Palace is of Peter Pan as well. And now we are doing the afternoon tea here in London at the Shard. Well, I want to ask, what do you think about the food so far?
I really like it.
You really like it?
Especially the cheese part.
Okay.
Cheese part and
very tasty, right?
yes.
And the essence of the tea was really good as well.
I choose the adventure tea, and that I really like the scent.
Yes.
It's very aromatic.
Me too, and we still have more things to try. So far, 10 out of 10. Let's see what else they bring us in this afternoon tea. So we recently received the ship of Peter Pan's, in which we had all our desserts, all beautifully decorated with Peter Pan characters like Tinkerbell and the Lost Boys. So I got to say that so far this experience, it's been amazing, and I want to ask Eunji for her opinion regarding the desserts.
And all desserts were super cute, like
Tinkerbell.
But for me, the taste is not that special, but I recommend to visit here at least once.
Yeah, because of the environment. It's very appealing. The characters of Peter Pan over here. And also something very important to note is that with every Peter Pan afternoon tea that you buy, you are actually supporting charity. So the money that you pay, percentage of the money that you pay for the Peter Pan afternoon tea goes for the Ormond London Hospital of Children. So it's a very good cause, especially during the Christmas. So apart from enjoying a special company and a beautiful environment, you are supporting for a good charity cause. So very good. As Eunji say, at least once in your life you need to come and try it. And now we're just gonna continue enjoying these views and having some wine. Cheers! And it's dark, guys. You can enjoy even more beautiful views because you have the city of London illuminated. So I recommend to come roughly in the afternoon so you have the best of the both worlds. You have the daytime and the nighttime as well, so you enjoy the two environments. So today, guys, I even learned some Korean that Eunji is gonna do the closure of the video in Korean.
오늘 영상도 시청해주셔서 감사합니다. 만약 오늘 영상이 재미있으셨다면 좋아요와 구독 부탁드려요. 다음에 또 만나요.
Thank you. Bye bye.